You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American musician, singer. If you want to learn more music celebrity names that are confusing too, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. He said, and there's a clip from him, that it's pronounced Ace Frehley. All right, many pronounce it as Frehley, but it's, it's Frehley. That's how he said it. I can play that clip where he says it for you.
But I freely admit that it's Frehley.
Frehley, all right? Frehley. So it's not Frehley, it's Frehley. And when you look at the spelling, it kind of makes sense. Frehley. Ace Frehley. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.